I realized that I started this video and I have never said, hi, how are you? I'm well, thanks. This is a few days later, and what actually happened is I think I left you guys when I was cooking, making porridge in the morning. And then later that night, I went out with Chelsea for our normal sushi dates. Actually, let me roll the clip. Let's do it.
What do you think?
Yes. So what you do is, instead of taking it like this.
Wait. Friend, wait. Okay. This is great to fucking...
So put the one on this finger and this finger down.
Oh my gosh. This is going to be fun. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, wait. Like
so
this.
This one is the one you move. This one stays still. So make sure it's...
Oh my gosh, guys.
So put your two fingers like this. Yes. Hold this one. Take this one.
Like this.
Yes.
But it's not straight.
Yeah. So you take it like this. Because remember it's this big. You take it like this. You hold it.
Okay,
tight,
and then you deep it.
dip it.
Wait, I want to try.
Just make sure it's in here. So that you can...
I can. Oh, like this.
Yes.
Okay.
Take the whole. Take deeper. But you didn't put yours.
So after our sushi date, I came back home and I slept. So, and then today in the morning I was like, man, I forgot to say hi, good morning. Ooh. But nonetheless, I got deliveries. I've actually been missing deliveries. But this morning I got one from Skin Republic. So with Skin Republic, I opened it already, is the serums. They're introducing new serums. And then this one, I know what it's inside. It is the new Colgate range. So Colgate is introducing their new sustainable, natural ingredient Colgate. So it's like your charcoal, aloe, I forgot the other one. But like nature, it's like your natural ingredient products, you know. So it's like their new range that they have. I will maybe create, I don't know if I'm gonna create stories. I'll see. But otherwise, I just need a chopping board. I wanna go out and go buy a chopping board. I have a chopping board, it's just that I want a new one. You know, I want a new chopping board, so I think let me go get a chopping board. Let me rather go get a chopping board. Good morning. Okay, that was too much. I have my mic. I just want to pin it, but I feel like it's going to be a lot. So the reason why I have my mic here is because I think my sound doesn't come out nice. So I thought, you know what? Let me install my mic on my, because I'm recording with my phone. I don't have a camera. I couldn't have money. You know, we don't have money. So I don't have money. I'm broke. I'm really, really broke. But also, I bought a new mic. We bought a new mic. Hi, family. We bought a new mic. So I bought a new mic so that also to improve my sound, especially if I have to be recording in like public spaces or like my sit down videos and stuff like that. So I can use this mic. But otherwise, we will use this mic. But otherwise, I said good morning. Today for me, it's a Saturday and it's a morning. You might be watching this in the afternoon, in the evening, in the morning. You know, we never know. But otherwise, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I'm actually craving French toast and annamal. I can't go to Dashes. So I thought, you know what? Actually, I'm gonna make my own bread. Wow, bread. I'm gonna make my own. You can't make your own bread. I know how to bake, but I don't have time. I want to make my own French toast. Those who don't know French toast, it's that bread you dip in the eggies and you fry. You know, we used to carry it in primary, but I don't know what they used to call it our mothers at that time. But anyways, so I went to the shops to buy some bread so I can make French toast. So I have the eggs, I have milk, I have cinnamon. I'm gonna dip my bread in milk, egg and cinnamon, and then I will prepare my pan so that I can fry my bread on the pan, and then after that I will throw in some blueberries, because that's the only thing that I have in the house. Some blueberries and some syrup. And then I have my French toast, and I'm going to make some rooibos tea with a bit of lemon. I enjoy rooibos tea with lemon in the morning. Actually, not even in the morning. Whether it's 8 o'clock in the morning or 8 o'clock at night, I absolutely do enjoy some rooibos tea. So, yes, so this is my French toast, and I am going to enjoy it now and watch a bit of some vlogs, you know, catch up on some.